Hey guys, what's up? It's Emily with Review Pronto here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Amazon Echo Dot. This is one of my favorite products that I have in my room. It is one, a speaker, and two, it can keep track of your entire schedule. It can add things to a grocery list that syncs to your phone. It can do so much. I personally use this mostly as a speaker because I needed a speaker, and I was also intrigued by all the other features that the Alexa could do. So I definitely wanted to get a lot of different features with this product, and I did. It comes with a nice cord that you plug into an outlet, and that's how it works. And then when it's ready, it'll start glowing blue, and of course saying the name Alexa activates it. Since it's unplugged, it's not going to work for me, but I would definitely recommend this whether you're looking for a good speaker or if you're looking for a way to make your life easier planning and making grocery lists and stuff like that. I would definitely recommend this product. It's super good. The volume is adjustable, and so that's something I love too. I can play soft Christmas music, or I can play louder music as well, which is something that I really like about this product. So I would highly recommend this product to anybody who's looking for that kind of product.